Gizo Mkuru is not your average Joe. This guy is very calculated, well calculated. Well, I'm maybe even allegedly funded. I don't know, but he knows what to say. He knows when to say it, and he's got this thing of getting away with saying some very outrageous stuff. And he's got this thing of getting away with doing some very outrageous stuff. You know why? It's mainly because we've given him a title or this branding oh yeah, I'm a madman, I can do whatever, and he does whatever. And I think it's a golden ticket for him to actually embark on some of his sneaky ideas. But beyond all of that, he's a very smart man, very knowledgeable, and he's got this a very easy way of imparting knowledge. I'm watching the intro of his interview with not interview podcast, Bing the Nation. Within a few minutes, he's able to give us history about Inanda and some of the formidable leaders that interacted with the area. He's able to tell us about the role played by Nkosi Langalibalele Dube in the formation of the ANC, role played by the late Inkosi kaPhindangene, uMntwana kaPhindangene, in restoring dignity into the Ukhosi bakaZulu and the Zulu nation at large for ensuring the customs and Ubthina is always maintained because now we are free as a nation. He speaks about the journeys of Umqalo Wendlela webandla lamaNazaretha. He speaks about the Ohlange, the school that was founded by J.L. Dube. He so easily, bro, easily. This guy with the mask. Umbuza about the statues in Durban, the recently erected statues of OR and Utat. A normal Joe would have went on saying, yeah, no, it shouldn't have been done, blah, 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 because it's Mabhida. Why not Mabhida? Like how many people have been saying. But yeah, he's just like, nope. Inkosi Dube was also honored. He's also honored in many other ways, It's just that maybe it might not be the same. But one of it is take a listen.
Mangabubuka la sikhona sise Octavia Hotel, the Octavia Boutique Hotel is a 5-star hotel esenanda. Insizwa ke umfokanala wenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu ke lapha ukuthi ke akhe ainveste kakhulu esobabhizinisi ainveste endaweni enomlando kakhulu. Mawuthi uyabuka mawungena kuleli hotel ufica isithombe sika ke baba ke uLangalibalele, the first president of the first black movement in an African continent. Uzokhumbula ukuthi ngokomlando wabelungu babe guarantee ukuthi ayikho into yomuntu omnyama eyoba iorganization eyoqeda 100 years. Lokho bekusho based ukuthi babafundisa abantu ukuthi bangakwazi ukuhlangana. Emveni kwalokho uzokhumbula ke ukuthi ngalesikhathi senkosi ucetshwayo abantu becolonized with the western religion, badividwa ngenkolo, becategorizwa ngokwe Lutheran church. Ema ufunde anti-approach izokutshena zonke lezo zinto lezo. Ke into eyenzeka ke lapho ke ukuthi ngesikhathi inkosi ucetshwayo kaMpande eboshwe phesheya kwezilwane, ke abantu they've lost ukuthi bangobani, balahlekelwa bubona, bagcina sebekholelwa ekuthenini ukhona uJesu nomsindisi, ukhona ongabonwayo wezulu ebekade vele khona uNkulunkulu ngencane na besimkhonza ngendlela yethu yobuAfrika. Into eyenzekileke uzokhumbula ke ukuthi i-movement ka-African National Congress i-ANC iyona eyakwazi ukuthi ebantwini abamnyama base-Afrika from 1912 yakwazi isungulela eMangaung le eFree State, and upresident wayo uqala kwaba uDr. J. Langalibalele Dube. Waphina wakhona phenana.
Okay, so inomlando vele le ndawo isilandela bonke. Ngibonile ngizwile noGandhi wake wathi ukuthintana noMandela ngathi wavota la into kanjalo.
Kakhulu uGandhi ufike sefikela kuShembe, akhumbula ukuthi 1912 into eyenzeka ukusungulwa kwe-ANC umongameli wokuqala uLangalibalele nedlinza lakhe lila esikoleni Ohlange High School la kwakufunda khona first women deputy president okubani umama uMnomlambo Ncuka kanye nomama ubaleka Mbethe onkosazana Dlamini Zuma bonke ama historian heroes of this country bahambile kulesa sikole sasohlange sasungulwa uyena uDr Langa Libalele Dube nelanga iphephandaba lasungulwa futhi uyena
nazo
indaba ezitha usela kuleka babulanga Libalele Dube esimhlonipha kakhulu awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe nawe uyadeserve ukuthi ahlonishwe njengabanye kade sibabona behlonishwa nje ensukwini okufana nobaba uNelson Mandela, the first president after ilentozana apartheid. Ube no ubani kambe Oliver Tambo lo kade laphana ngaseBeach North. Awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe nala inanda iyadinga mhlambe na ukuthi recognize ngestate esiphathelene no baba uDr John Langa Libalele Dube.
Athole stage.
No, lokho ngicabanga ukuthi kukhona noma kungeqamile ngale ndlela okufanele engabe uqame ngayo mhlambe abe everywhere. Kodwa yena ukhona yena yebo kakhulu ya respect ngoba sokhumbula ukuthi bahlanganyele baba into eyodwa Isaiah Shembe u1910 ufikele la eNanda esuka lento abazwe eHarry Smith la kade sebeyakhe sebakhe khona abakwashembe mayisuka into abazwe ke eza la wasuka la futhi mayifika la wayeseke ethatha esesuka kade landa imithetho yokuphathwa kwesonto lakhe la kwaShembe entabeni yaseNtangakazi wayesezinza emzini wasePhakameni and a very historical thing that you may not know ileyo ukuthi umntwana okwaphinda ngene owakwazi ukuthi asungule avuselele umbuso kaZulu usufile ngoba umbuso oZulu sikhuluma iqiniso after inkosi uCetshwayo wafa kwasala amakhosi alama uCetshwayo aphenduka abayiziqhuse yabona ingakho engazange engena umlando okuvunula uDeni uZulu umama ongawusuthu waboshwa le akazange aza mina umlando okuvunula babegqoka izisosha lezi zamabhunu yabona uyinkosi isilo unyanga izizwe akazange azavunule uMaphumzana emveni kwalokho kuzoba isilo ke kunjani uSolomon nakazange savunula umuntu oze waqala ukuvunula naye ngelanga ayigcotshwa ngalo wayengavunuli ngoba wayithathele from ubaba wakhe uDlokombane naye mawubuthi uyabuka lapha wayigqoke njengo yisi kepha umuntu onophinda ngene wakuvuselela lokho ukuthi isiko alibuyele endaweni yalo ngoba sekuza manje inkululeko kulelizwe wazalelwa emzini wasePhakameni.
Uyincwadi ephilayo uMacengwana omunye mhlawumbe umuntu ofisa ukwazi ngolwazi oluzule ngoZulu nokwakheka kwawo engayithola phi lento lena noma mhlawumbe wayeyela esikoleni ukuyifunda noma into ozalelwe kuyona and kunenye into futhi engeke ngikhoti uMacengwana naye ngathi uomunye wabantu abatholakala abatholakala ngokuzaleka kwabo ngeSide la kaShembe lasePhakameni ngandlela thizeni so ngoba njena nje ngathi kunomlando wanyana okhona lapho phakathi ngokufika kwakhe emhlabeni
cha imina nomntwana okwaphinda ngene saqala kaShembe bakuthi yabona nje mina nje nomntwana okwaphinda ngene saqala kaShembe yabo enye into